Good morning, guys. Welcome to the video. Today we're going to review the Billingham Waist Belt. Now, in this video, we're going to answer the 4Ws of what it is, why did I buy it, when I bought it, to give you like a time frame, the time that I've had it since, where I bought it, and where you should buy it from there, and I'll tell you why. And of course, how it is as a product. And of course, this is my own personal opinion. This isn't endorsed by Billingham. So let's answer the first question of what it is. This is a waist belt. So this is an attachment to your Hadley 1 bag, or based on the website it says it is compatible with all the Hadleys. So Hadley Small Pro, Hadley Small, Hadley Medium, Hadley Large, if there is a Hadley Medium. Or I think there's a Hadley Pro. It is made out of leather, brass fittings or the brass stud, and webbing. Now it comes in different colors and color combinations. So the webbing or the strap, it comes in either black or khaki, and leather trims come in either chocolate, tan, and black. But the black webbing only comes in black and tan leather trims. So if you have a bag like mine, which I have the sage and chocolate, I think it's best that you buy the khaki and chocolate, because the shoulder strap of the bag is actually khaki, and the handle, the webbing on that one is also khaki. So alright, as far as length goes from 70 to 114 centimeters or 36 to 56 inches. So the belt comes in 3 parts. It comes in the leather straps, the ones that attaches to the shoulder sling of the bag, and the waist belt itself, which ends in the leather brass fittings. Why I bought the bag? I have been a shoulder bag user for most of my years. I started wearing shoulder bags when I was in high school up into college. Varies in different sizes. I've also worn messenger bags that are for people that ride bikes. I like those because they actually have a stabilizer strap for those that do have it. It prevents it from swinging back and forth. And this is essentially what it is. So another reason why I bought the waist belt, because it becomes apparent as soon as you use it as a daily bag. You put it on and you bend over and tie your shoe, and the bag swings forward, and now it's preventing you from tying your shoe, or God forbid if you want to bend over and pick up your child, the bag will actually swing forward and knock your baby. So when did I buy the bag? So I've had the bag for about a month now. I have been using it as a daily carry-on bag, my camera mainly, and then other things. So the other things can range from water bottle, diapers. Of course, if I'm gonna vlog and edit on the go, I'm gonna bring my laptop, my cables, my charger, the LaCie storage card, extra SD cards, extra batteries, and that sort of thing. So it hasn't really worn. Well, you can see a little bit of wear and tear. Over the past month, some wear in it, like on the leather trims. I'll show you in the video. I'll show you in the video. There's some wear at the flap of the bag also. Okay, so where I bought the bag. I bought the bag at the Billingham website. I did look at B&H, Adorama, and Amazon. They were pretty expensive. At the time I bought this at the Billingham website, they had a special code used to have a discount on the accessories that you bought it. I think mainly it was the shoulder pad. So when I bought the bag, the shoulder pad, and the waist belt, I actually got it cheaper, especially with free shipping. If you didn't know anything about me, I am a bag fan, a bag fanatic. So let me answer the how. If you didn't know already, I love this accessory because it actually does what they say. It prevents the bag from moving forward, backwards, swinging around, especially when you're active. So I actually used the accessory when we were at Pullen Park. I used it as a diaper bag and a camera bag, getting down on my knees a lot, taking shots, and that is one of the very annoying parts when you're shooting is when you're taking on different positions. The bag kind of hinders you from doing that because it's either in front of you or swinging in front of you, or if you're trying to get a stable shot, it actually makes you unsteady. So that's why I guess some photographers and videographers prefer to have a backpack as a way to carry their gear. But I always found it that you're much slower with a backpack, even though they have side access and stuff like that, instead of just having it open right in front of you and then you just grab into it. The accessory actually helps deters, I guess, thieves, because even if you have it in one shoulder, you still have something that's strapped to your waist. I like it that they use brass fittings as a secure mechanism. That's why I really like the bag, because the way they design it makes sense, and it really looks like something that could last a really, really long time. And I'm really up to a point now where I'm just trying to, preserve how it was when I bought it. But things wear and tear, and I can only hope that it ages well for me. There are times you don't really need a waist belt, right? You don't wear it all the time. You just want to stow it somewhere. And stowing an accessory, when you try and put it on your bag, it takes space. You can actually store it as a shoulder strap. That's it for my review of the Billingham Waist Belt.